In this video, I'm going to show you N8N. So open up N8N and log into your N8N account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do is click on these create workflow on your top right here. So click on create workflow to start a new automation. So once you've clicked on the new workflow, so click on these add first step here, and then in the trigger box, in the search box here, type in LinkedIn and then select LinkedIn. Okay, once you select LinkedIn here, scroll down on the action, you'll see like create post. So click on the create post option there. So click on it. So this will open up this dialog box here where you go to set up the parameters. So for the credentials, what you're going to do is click on it and then click create new credentials. And then what we're going to do, you're going to connect your LinkedIn account. So you can select the standard option, and then all you have to do is click on connect my account and then connect your LinkedIn account. Once you're done with that, hit on save. Okay, once you're done with that, hit on save. And then here for the resource you can choose, so you can just leave it as post because that's what we're going to do. And then the operation, you can just click on create, leave it as create, and then post. So what do you want to post as a person, organization, depending. So if it's an individual one, you can choose person. Okay, and then you can type in the text here, and then media you can choose one. And then once you have configured all these settings here, all you have to do is hit on execute step. Click on back to canvas here, and then here you will see that the setup has now been completed, and you can try to execute these by clicking on this execute workflow to test it.